We're in Matera, finishing off the car chase sequence with Bond.
The vehicles in the chase were two Jaguar XFs, kindly donated to us by Jaguar.
To do a high-speed car chase in the city of Matera, push things to another level again, because it's such an ancient city and its location.
The tricky bit here is the varying conditions of the road surface. We're always changing tyre pressures so that we can either gain traction, lose traction. If we're doing steps, we're adjusting ride heights, damper, rebound. Each car is set up specifically for each individual stunt, although the DNA of every car is the same. So we've got the standard roll cages, hydraulic handbrakes, race pedal boxes. There's a lot that we do to assist the stunt driver, then he gets the optimum out of the car.